The camera of iPhone 13, light, vision, truth, and responsibility. Hello friends, welcome back. So far, we have understood the display which shows us the world, the chip which thinks, the battery which gives energy. Today, we come to a very sensitive and powerful part of the iPhone, the camera. If the chip is the brain, the camera is the eye. If there was no camera, let us imagine for a moment. If a mobile phone had no camera, no ability to capture images, then what would a mobile be? It would only be a calling device, a messaging device. The camera transformed the phone from a communication tool into a memory machine. The camera allows us to preserve moments, share experiences, document truth. Without the camera, the phone would be half blind. How many cameras does iPhone 13 have? The iPhone 13 has 2 rear cameras, 12 megapixel wide camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 1 front camera, 12 megapixel true depth camera. Each camera has a different role, just like human eyes and brain work together. What does 12 MP mean? MP means megapixel. 1 megapixel equals 1 million pixels. A 12 MP camera captures about 12 million tiny dots of light information. A pixel is the smallest unit of an image. Think of a picture as a mosaic. Many tiny tiles, together forming one image. More pixels mean more detail, more clarity, better cropping ability. But megapixels alone do not decide quality. Light is everything in photography. A camera does not capture objects. A camera captures light reflected from objects. No light, no photo. That is why photography literally means writing with light. Nature again. Light existed long before cameras. The camera only learned how to trap light for a moment. Wide camera, the main eye. The wide camera is the primary camera. It captures everyday photos, portraits, videos. It has a larger sensor, meaning it can collect more light. More light means better night photos, clearer images, less noise, just like human eyes see better in daylight. Ultra-wide camera, seeing more. The ultra-wide camera captures landscapes, groups, architecture. It sees more area in one frame. But because it spreads light over a wider area, it captures slightly less detail than the main camera. Nature again teaches trade-offs. Wide vision versus fine detail. True depth, front camera, identity, and depth. The front camera is called true depth. Why? Because it does not only take selfies. It measures depth, maps your face, enables Face ID. It projects invisible infrared dots to understand the shape of your face. This allows secure unlocking, animated emojis, portrait selfies. Technology here respects privacy by processing most data on the device itself. Sensor, the real camera. The lens only directs light. The sensor is the real camera. It converts light into electrical signals. Each pixel on the sensor measures light intensity, records color information. Sensors are also made from silicon, again derived from sand. Nature is everywhere. Software and camera, a partnership. Modern cameras are not just hardware. The chip and software work together to enhance colors, reduce noise, balance brightness, improve faces. This is called computational photography. The phone is not lying, it is helping light express itself better, but this power must be used responsibly. Camera and truth, a reflection, a camera can reveal truth, expose injustice, preserve history, but it can also mislead, invade privacy, manipulate reality. The camera itself is innocent. It only records. Humans decide when to click, what to share, what to hide. Technology gives power. Character gives direction. Why camera changed humanity? Because now everyone can document, everyone can tell stories, everyone can be a witness. This is powerful. But power without ethics can damage trust. Closing thoughts. The iPhone camera is not just technology, it is light, physics, silicon, mathematics, and human intention. If used wisely, it preserves beauty and truth. If misused, it distorts reality. Use the camera to capture memories, spread awareness, celebrate life, not to harm dignity. In the next video, we will talk about sound, the speakers and microphones, how silence and voice matter. Thank you. I hope you will gain with this knowledge, and thanks for your time. Next, I will deal with concept of pixel. What is a pixel and why it matters? Camera captures light, not objects.